Did you know that you can grow blueberries in your home, even if you don't have a garden? Have you heard that blueberries are one of the healthiest berries in the world, but in stores they are expensive and often tasteless? And the most important question, why don't we grow them ourselves, clean, natural, and always on hand? Stay until the end because I will reveal to you a simple, natural trick that blueberries especially love and rarely mention it. Blueberries are special plants. They don't require much space, but they do require the right conditions. The good news is that you can grow them in a pot, on a balcony, terrace, and even by a window. Even better news, a single plant can produce for years if we give it what it loves. First and foremost, soil. Blueberries don't like ordinary garden soil. They love acidic soil. The ideal soil for rhododendrons or azaleas is a mixture of peat, sawdust, and a little pine bark. Second, a pot. Always choose a larger pot with holes in the bottom. Blueberries do not like their roots standing in water. Better a little dryness than too much moisture. Third, light. Blueberries love the sun, but not all day roasting. They're best suited to morning sun and light shade in the afternoon. A balcony or window facing east is ideal. Watering is a separate story. Blueberries do not like lime. If you can, use rainwater or runoff water. The soil should be constantly slightly moist, but never muddy. If you find this useful, please leave a like. It means a lot to me and helps such tips reach more people. Subscribe if you love natural food and home growing. And now, the promised natural trick. Add to the blueberries once a month, water with lemon or orange peel, or a spoon of apple cider vinegar in 2 liters of water. This slightly acidifies the soil, and blueberries love it. The leaves become darker, the plant becomes stronger, and the fruits become larger and sweeter. Blueberries are not difficult, they're just different. Once you learn what they like, they will reward you with years of healthy fruit. And believe me, blueberries that you grow yourself are priceless. If you want, write in the comment, blueberry. And if you know someone who has a balcony or a little space, share this video. Maybe you will open the door to homemade healthy food for someone. See you in the next video.